Hello, everybody. I'm sorry about my voice being gone. I think I'm battling a cold, or maybe it's my allergies. I'm not quite sure. But, anyways, today I'm posting a video of my quadcopter with tri-blade propellers mounted. This is just some in-flight video here. I think that the tri-blade propellers give me a more stable um, flight, and I think I'm able to take clear videos now thanks to these tri-blade propellers. I plan on possibly making a camera gimbal to go underneath the quadcopter that'll allow me to take better videos and angle my camera at better angles, as well as hopefully dampen out some more vibrations. Right now my camera's just mounted with a single piece of Velcro, sorry, a single piece of Velcro to the frame, but anyways, I hope that I'll be able to take better video in the future. And also, I still have yet to test out the efficiency of these tri-blade propellers. I'm using 2300 kilovolt motors, so I will have that information to come out in the future. Anyways, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye. Dude, that thing's smooth.